Hello everyone, wishing you all a great year ahead. From Dr.Viji Amutha, Associate Professor, Department of CSE, Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology. I am here to deliver a presentation on Smart Dust, which is an IoT application. Before getting into the topic, let me first define Internet of Things. Internet of Things is usually abbreviated by the term IoT. IoT is a platform where physical devices like sensors, actuators, and other devices are connected to the internet. These devices can interact, collaborate, collect, and exchange data with one another. IoT got its origin in the year 1999 by the computer scientist Kevin Ashton. So, he is the inventor of the term Internet of Things. Now, we use IoT in our everyday life. IoT is greatly applied in our smartphones. We use IoT in wearable devices like headset, smart jewelry, smartwatches. We use IoT in online shopping, flight services, musical systems, home and appliances, etc. etc. Now let us discuss an important application of IoT, that is Smart Dust. So what is the Smart Dust? It is a system of tiny micro-electromechanical systems such as sensors, robots or other devices. These Smart Dust are also called as modes. So this can detect light, temperature, it can sense vibration, magnetism, chemicals and other stimuli. So it is just like a microscopic device which is capable of wireless data collection. So the size of each Smart Dust measures just 0.15 by 0.15 millimeter. And each Smart Dust have GPS capabilities. It was invented by Hitachi. So in this photograph you can see the picture of a Smart Dust. Look how tiny it is. Now we are going to see the areas where the Smart Dust is greatly applied. So Smart Dust is applied in oil wells. These Smart Dust can dive into oil wells to measure the vibration in oil refineries and factories. It can also sense the oil level and it can also be used to check for contamination. And this is quite interesting. Smart Dust can be sprinkled on the wings of a butterfly to monitor the migration patterns of wings. Smart Dust finds a great application in agriculture. It is used to monitor the needs of the crops continuously. So this helps us to determine when to water the crops, when to do pest control. Thus the crops can be protected from diseases. Smart Dust can also be deployed inside the human body to monitor the activity of different organs. It can also be used to stimulate nerves and muscles. It can also be used to see the recovery process of broken bones and damaged cells. Smart Dust plays an important role in factory automation. The condition of each equipment is monitored at all times and it notifies if there is a fault in the equipment. The computer can be programmed to turn off the lights and the AC in the absence of people. Smart Dust serves its purpose in surveillance and military. It is used to watch the movement of enemy in cases where it is impossible for the drones and humans to reach the place. It can also detect poisonous gases or dangerous substances present in the air and it signals an alert to leave the premises. Smart Dust is also used in transportation of perishable goods. The goods can be monitored continuously when they are being transported. Certain conditions such as temperature, humidity, aeration and dust can be controlled. The system also signals immediately to the base station if the goods are being damaged. So these are the applications of Smart Dust.